Want to do a movie? You gonna get comfortable? Go ahead. You gonna get comfortable? Let me love on you again? Okay. Okay, honey. You love that loving too, don't you? It feels good, huh? It feels good, huh, Tiny? There we go. We're gonna rub your tummy too. Yes, do your tummy. You do your tummy. You are the cutest tiny thing. Oh, wait. You're a sweet little girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a sweet little tiny girl. Yeah. You like your ears loved? No, you have to stay over here so I can get pictures. Yeah, you have to stay over here so I can get pictures. There we go. No, I can't pick you up right this second, okay? Okay, come here. There she is. Okay, let's get down just one more minute, okay? There we go. There we go. Okay, I'll love on you. Come this way. There we go. Oops. There we go. You can't come up here right now. We're doing pictures, silly girl. Okay, I'll come down here with you. Can you stay in here just for 1 minute? Give me a kiss. Would that make you feel better? Okay, now go explore. What can you find? What can you find, huh? I'm right here. I'm not leaving. I just had to get my hand out of the film, okay? I'm not leaving you, honey. Did you find something? Does it look good? You want to go explore? Oh, you gonna do biscuits too, like your sister? Huh? You want to do biscuits like your sister? Oh, that's a sweet girl. There she is. Oh, yes, sir. Give me a kissy. Give me a kiss. Okay, let's back up, my angel. You're getting close to the edge, okay? There we go. There we go. We love on you a little bit more.